Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 100 websites that you can use to drive free traffic to your CPA affiliate offers and to your affiliate products. And to be honest with you, all of these websites are similar. And this method is beginner friendly, it is available worldwide, and I'm going to show you step by step how to find these websites, how to make posts, and how to set up free autoresponder. So with that being said, let me just jump in my computer and we are going to begin. You can use this method to promote CPA affiliate offers. To find CPA affiliate offers, you can come on a website called Offer Vault and then click here on categories and then find CPA. Okay, this is the CPA, click on CPA. And here you can see all the available CPA affiliate offers. And here you can see name of the offer. Here you can see how much you can make per offer. And here you can see CPA affiliate network. So what you need to do, you need to go through these CPA affiliate offers. And when you find one that you like, that you would like to promote, here you can see, like I said, affiliate network where that offer is listed. Register on that affiliate network and start promoting that CPA affiliate offer. And like I said in my previous CPA videos, you should always check CPA affiliate offers before you start promoting them because there is lots of scam offers, and that is why you should check every CPA affiliate offer before you start promoting that offer. Before we continue, it would mean a lot to me if you like this video and also if you subscribe to my channel and turn all notifications on so you don't miss any of my new videos. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to leave the comment down below and I will try to answer on all of your questions. You can also use this method to promote affiliate products. To find those affiliate products, you can use Digital24, you can use JVZoo, you can use Warrior Plus, you can use any other affiliate network, but I like to use ClickBank. And I know that Make Money Online works really well with this method, so I will scroll here and I'm going to click on e-business and e-marketing. And I'm going to sort this by gravity. And also I'm going to scroll here and click must have affiliate tools page. And you need to go through these products and to do a research to see which of these products you actually wish to promote. So let's say I wish to promote this product here. Get paid to use Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. This product exists 5 or 6 years, maybe even longer. So that means that this is actually a good product. So I will open their sales page in the new tab and you will see later why I need their sales page. Now when we have our CPA affiliate offer or affiliate product, now we need to start promoting them. And let me first show you potential of the website that we are going to use. When we go on SimilarWeb, we will see that this website is ranking 119 in United Kingdom. And here you can see that last month this website got almost 10 million visits. And when you scroll here, you will see that 93% of their visitors are coming from United Kingdom, which makes sense because this website is ranking 119 in United Kingdom. So this website has a huge potential. Before we continue, I have to say that all the other websites are really similar to this one, and that is why I will use this website as an example just to show you how this works. And the website that I'm talking about is called Viva Street. Viva Street is a classified ads website. And obviously first thing you need to do, you need to register. So just click here on my account and then click here register for your free account. And all you have to do is just add your email address, retype your email address, add your password, choose your type, I'm individual, choose your username, click here to confirm that you are not robot. Click here register now and confirm your email. And that's it, you will register on Viva Street. Later in this video I am going to show you where you can find a list of 100 classified ads websites. Now after you confirm your email you will come on the home page. What you need to do, you need to click here on post your ad. Click here. And this is actually a simple form. First thing you need to do, you need to choose your category. And because our product is actually about working online, how to make money online by working from home, so I will choose category, click here, and I need to find jobs, okay? Jobs and services. I will click here on services, and I need to choose subcategory, and I will choose other services. Now I need to add a postal code from United Kingdom. All you have to do is just start typing, let's say S and W. And as you can see, Viva Street will suggest you some postal codes. You can choose any of these postal codes. Let's say this one here, for example. As you can see, this is a right postal code. You need to click who you are, I am individual. Here you need to type title of your ad. So I will go back on ClickBank and I'm going to copy this here. Get paid to use Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. Control C to copy, go back on Viva Street, Control V to paste it. And here you need to add description. Now here you can see that you can actually feature this ad. You don't really need it. Free ad is quite fine. So you don't really need this. Here you need to add description. And for description we need a sales page, their sales page. So I will simply copy this. Control C, go back on Viva Street and paste it here. Your description should be short, simple and precise, just like this. And this is really important. On Viva Street, you cannot add your affiliate link. And because you cannot leave your affiliate link, what you can do is you can say contact and leave your email account. Now I suggest that for this method, you open a new Gmail account. And people will start sending you emails and you can either reply on every email by yourself or you can set up Gmail to be your autoresponder, and later I will show you how you can set up Gmail account to be your autoresponder. So let's move further. And here you need to add your photo. Now to find photos you can simply go on Pixabay and find royalty-free photos. Here in search bar for this example I will say something like work from home. Press enter to find photos. And here you can see there is lots and lots of work from home related photos, royalty-free photos that you can use any way you want. So let's just find one that we like. Okay, this one here, work from home. Just click on this photo and click here on free download. Choose the dimensions. Okay, I will stick with these dimensions. Click here download. Give it a second. Confirm that you are not robot. Give it a few seconds. Click here download and click OK, and that's it. I downloaded this image, this photo on my desktop. Go back on Viva Street. Click here to find the photo from your desktop. Let me just find that photo. This is the photo. Click open. Click here on upload. Give it a few seconds to upload this photo, this image on Viva Street. As you can see, it uploaded. Scroll further. You actually don't need any of these options here. Like I said, they are just offering you this, but you don't need this. You can stick with the free ad. Just scroll here and click here that you agree with the terms and condition. Click here and then click here to confirm that you are not a robot. And then click here and publish your ad, and that's it. Your ad will be live on Viva Street. Now this is really important. It often happens that classified ads websites delete your ad. It's not end of the world. Like I said, that happens often. All you have to do is just see what you did wrong, fix that and make a new post. Post a new ad and that's it. So let me now show you how to set up Gmail to be your free autoresponder. What you need to do, you need to go on Gmail account and you need to click here on this little gear, click here and then click on see all settings. And what you need to do, you need to scroll down on the bottom. Let me just scroll and to here where it says vacation responder. Here you can see vacation responder is off. You need to click here on vacation responder on. And here you need to add subject. So I will simply copy the title of my ad. So let me just scroll back here and I will copy title. Control C, go back on my Gmail account, paste it here. And here you need to add message that people will receive automatically every time they send you an email. You can write this message by yourself or you can simply go to affiliate tools page and here to the section that says email swipes. And you can choose any of these email swipes. Just click here and let's just copy this. Copy. Okay. Control C, go back on your Gmail account and Control V to paste it here. Of course, you will fix this little. Let's say I will delete this, my signature. And here you need to add your affiliate link. As you can see here, it's bold. Click here. Just highlight this. Scroll here and click on this little chain and paste your affiliate link here and click OK, and that's it. You will add your affiliate link into this message that people will automatically receive every time they send you a message, every time they send you an email on this Gmail account. So this is how you set up Gmail account to be your free autoresponder. Let me now show you where you can find the list of classified ad websites. Come on Google and here in search bar type something like this, classified ads list 2021, and click search. And click here on the first result because these guys update their list regularly. And you need to scroll here, and here you can see a list of free classified ads on entire world. As you can see here, and here you can see classified ads websites in United States. Here you can see classified ads websites in United Kingdom. Here you can see Australian classified ads. Here you can see India, and here you can see Canada. And when you scroll here you can see United Arab Emirates classified ads sites. And there is about 100 classified ads websites on this list, and like I said, these guys update this list regularly. And what you need to do, you need to join all of these classified ads websites, and you need to start posting your ads on these websites. And on the more websites you post your ad, the more people will see your ad, and more people will send you email, and more people will click on that affiliate link, and more people will buy that product or will fulfill that CPA affiliate offer. And again, it may happen that they delete your ad. All you have to do is just see what you did wrong, fix that, and make a new post a new ad. And that's it. So this is how you drive free traffic from classified ads websites to your CPA affiliate offer or to your affiliate product. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.